Okay, so I'm showing you how to upload video and get more views. So you can see I already uploaded a video and it was unlisted. Okay, so then you need to go to YT Studio, then content, and then edit that. Okay, now copy the title. Okay, then write it on description. Okay, and add some more hashtags. You can add more hashtags, but I'm not adding. Okay, now video was schedule, then set the time. Now it was 12. Now it's 12 p.m. I'm going to set it in 12:30. Okay, then tags, shorts, remixing, and category. Okay, so you need to add tags. 1 minute. Copy the title one more, then go to the tags. It's also can be a tag. Now how similar you are to Taeyong. Taeyong. No, it's Taeyong. Yes, Taeyong. I'm always struggling with his name. Okay, Taeyong, and add some more. BTS Taeyong, BTS V, Anushka, now you must need to add tags because tags are very important. If your viewers search anything about those things that you tag, then YouTube will show your video at first. It's videos, I hope videos, lyrics, I hope co-friendship, and the tag you must have was YouTube and YouTube Shorts. Okay, it's enough. Then you need category was, you can choose anything. I'm choosing it people and blogs normally, don't need to anything else. Okay, then save it. It was wrong. Okay, it's PM or AM? It's PM. Then why it's not uploading? Okay, it's okay. Now it's uploaded. Then I will show you when it was get uploaded. Now bye bye. And one more thing I forget to tell you. Edit video, select audience, and no, it's not made for kids. Okay, now it's okay. Look, it's got a lot of views.